Benefit, and looks like these are their holiday sets. You guys remember the RV? I think that's what it's called. But in this pink RV, you get, oh, it's called I Break for Beauty. That's funny. You get the Pore Professional Primer. I know so many people love that. And then you get a bronzer, the Hula Benefit bronzer. Love that one. Actually use it to contour. And then you get the Gimme Brow Shade 3, and then the Back Out Bang. So here's another holiday set in this blue van. And in this set, it looks like you get the Gimme Brow again, the Back Out Bang Mascara, and then the Pore Professional Mini. Oh, so basically if you don't want the Hula Bronzer, then you can get this set. And this one's only $20. So for $30, you can get this tin can. It's an orange one, and it looks like you get, oh, you get a different mascara this time. You get the Roller Lash Mascara, the Hula Bronzer, and then the Gimme Brow in the shade 3. Oh, so if you want an orange one, a blue one, or a pink one. I'd definitely go for the pink one because I feel like you get the most out of your money, but yeah. Calling all gorgeous glampers. That's hilarious. Alright, now we're at Stila, and you guys, first can we admire this palette? It's called the After Hours Eyeshadow. You guys, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely eyeing that for this sale. But anyways, let's get to holiday kits. So for the holidays, it looks like they have this set. It's called Pink Harmony, and in this you get a liquid lipstick and then one of their glitter eyeshadows. Ooh, which one actually? What shades are in this? So you get the Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Patina, and then the Beauty Boss lip gloss in the shade Pink Slip. You guys ignore my nails too. I apologize for that. Another set you can get from Stila. Ooh, it's called A Knowing Glance, and it's an eye set, and in this you get a mascara, an eyeliner, and then another glitter eyeshadow. And the glitter eyeshadow, if anyone's curious, is in the shade Bronzed Belle. You guys, that's beautiful. And then another set you can get from them. Oh, if you are a fan of their glitter eyeshadows, this is probably going to be your set. This is called the Fourth Dimension. And the shades inside are Old Coal Ice, Lilac Ice, Vivid Smoky Quartz, and Vivid Labradorite. Okay, those are very interesting names, but look at these shades. These are so pretty. Here's a better look of all of the products that are in each set. Wow, this mascara is huge. But yeah, the Fourth Dimension is $49. A Knowing Glance is $25. Pink Harmony, $25. Oh wait, okay, my bad, y'all. This is the mascara size you guys get. But yeah, looks like this is a new mascara from them, and this is $23. Alright, now we're at BareMinerals, and look at their holiday kits. So it looks like you get a little lippy set, which comes with 6-piece mini Gen Nude Matte and Shine lipsticks. This is a great sample or travel or like give it all to your besties kind of set. And the shades inside this are Pout, Darling, Sweetheart, looks like a great nude, Juju, Boss, and So Fine. I love that. Another set you can pick from BareMinerals is the Prime and Set Favorites. So if you love primers, setting powders, and sprays, this would probably be your set. And in this comes the Prime Time Original Foundation Primer, the Mineral Veil, and the Dew Mist for your setting spray. And this one's $25. And this one, I forgot if I told you guys, is $29. Oh, looks like BareMinerals theme is Give Without Limits. That's so cute. And look at this Mineral Veil Finishing Powder Deluxe Collector's Edition. This beautiful cap. Looks like a rose, right? So the shades they have for their loose powder foundation is Fairy Light, Light, Medium Beige, Medium, and each is going for $46. So So I know this isn't makeup, but I still want to share it with you guys. Look at this holiday kit from LANEIGE. They just shared it on their website. You guys look, it's called the Hydration Dream Team, and in this set you get the cream skin toner and moisturizer, the water sleeping mask, which I've tried, I really like it, the Leap sleeping mask, of course, a well-loved, beloved product. I love it, use it every freaking night, even during the day actually, and then a moisturizer cream. And this one going for $39. Another brand I want to show you guys is Fresh. Look at their holiday kits they have. You guys, the cutest packaging ever. Oh my gosh. I would love if these doors could actually close. How cute would that be? So it looks like they have two sets. This one, you get the Soy Face Cleanser, the Black Tea Age Delay Eye Concentrate, one of their Lip Advanced Therapy lip balms, the Rose Face Mask, and the Lotus Youth Preserve Face Cream. And this is going for $69. And then in this one, you get the Black Tea Kombucha Facial Essence, the Black Tea Firming Overnight Mask, the Black Tea Age Delay Eye Concentrate, and the Black Tea Firming Corset Cream. Wow. If you are a black tea lover, I know that black tea is like really good. So if you like this line, this is probably a great set for you. And this is $119. So Sephora always comes out and creates these kits. If you're a lip lover, hair lover, just any product you like, a perfume lover, they always create these gifts with like the best-selling products at their store. So let's first go over this one. If you're a hair lover, y'all, look at this. Look at the products inside. This is going for $40, and in this set, you get the Christopher Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub, the Care Taste Leave-In Conditioner, the Dry Bar Triple Sec. Ooh, love that one, personal favorite. Then you get Away, it looks like a rose hair and body oil, the Barigio Scalp Revival. Oh, love Barigio and love Way. Then you get the Moroccan Oil Treatment, the Living Proof Full Dry Volume. Ooh, great for like those days you don't want to wash your hair and add some volume, you know, take away that oil. Then you got the Mika Soul Food Nourishing Mask, the Bumble and Bumble Invisible Oil. Ooh, great for like if you're out in the sun. And then the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm and the Diva Curl Super Cream. So yeah, so we have this set going for $40. And then this lip set, the Sephora favorites, is the Gimme More Lip Wardrobe. And in this you get the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask, the Milk Makeup, looks like a lip balm from their Kush collection, the Fresh Lipstick in Sugar Rose, the Be a Roller in Your Incredible Roller Ball Gloss, full size, the Sephora Collection Rouge Liquid Lipstick, and then a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. Oh my gosh, what shade? Ooh, it's in the shade Very Victoria, if anyone's curious. Then you get the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Mini Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in Flamingo Acid, and then a Too Faced Peach Lipstick in the shade Sex on the Peach. But yeah, so I wonder what other Sephora favorites they have, but these are just some of them that have already came out. So going back to Sephora collection, here's more holiday kits from them. You guys, look at this humongous eyeshadow palette. Do you guys see that? Can you see the shades? Oh my gosh, and this is called the Winter Eyes eyeshadow palette, going for $24. Then we also have this cream lip stain collection set. I love the packaging they have for this year. And in this you get these shades inside. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, a champagne shade and then a red one. Everyone needs a good red lipstick. But if you don't want to commit to all 6, you can choose this set. It's a cream lip stain set. Or if you're a gloss lover, then you might want the Brights Delights lip gloss and pouch set. Oh my gosh, how cool is this pouch? That is so cool. And inside, these are the shades you get. You guys, I wish they had the shade names for each, but still, I feel like you can see it. It's a clear one, a champagne one, blue one, light pink one, a dark fuchsia pink one. Oh, like a cream one, beige one, a rosy mauve one. Oh, this is pretty. And then a purple one. Oh, that's fun. And this one's going for $28. Another brand is Beauty Blender, and look at this beautiful diamond box that they came out with for the holidays. And inside you're gonna get, wow, the original Beauty Blender, of course, a ruby one, an emerald one, and a topaz one. Oh, I thought you'd get the sapphire one, but I guess not. So you'll get all of these sponges inside with a cleanser, a gemstone cleanser. That's what these jewels are. All for, wait, no, not for 20 bucks. All for $65. Here's Buxom. You guys, let's end with my favorite brand, Buxom. Oh my gosh. Love Buxom, you guys. Y'all know I'm obsessed with their plumping lip gloss. The shiny one and then the not shiny one. I forgot what the name difference are, but love these. Anyways, onto their holiday gift sets. We have, I guess it's called Gimme Glitter, and it's a plumping lip gloss set. Oh my gosh, and they're always a gold packaging. I feel like they always have a gold packaging for the holiday kits. And these are the shades that are inside. Oh wait, there's two different ones. So this one's a bigger one. It's called Strike Gold. So in the Strike Gold, you have these shades inside. It's 8-piece plumping lip gloss set going for $39. And then in the Gimme Glitter one, these are the shades inside. Ooh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm looking for this shade. And this is a 5-piece plumping lip gloss set going for $25. The last holiday collection I want to talk about is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Carly Bible collab. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. The palette is here. You guys, I love Carly Bible, so I'm definitely going to pick this up during the sale. This is what it looks like. And then look at the shades inside. How freaking pretty is this? Oh my gosh. And this palette, if you're curious, is going for $45. Limited edition, by the way. And then you have this undressed lip set. This is pretty. Ooh, comes with 3 mattes and 2 glosses. And this is going for $40. If anyone wants the description, it's a 5-piece lip set featuring liquid lipsticks and lip gloss in an all-new light nude shades for all my nude lovers. Then you have 2 brow kits, because you guys know they kill it in their brow product game. So it's including their new brow gel. Oh my gosh, I love their pencil, the brow brush pencil in number 12. And then the brow pomade. So this is called the Melt Proof Brow Kit, going for $30. Then you can also pick the Best Brows Ever Kit. That's funny, and this is really cute. In this kit, you get the brow gel again, but the brow wiz if you don't like the brow pomade, and then the brow gel. I personally, I might go for this one because I love the brow wiz and then the brow gel. So both of these sets are $30 and this one's $40. Alright you guys, well I am back home. Oh my gosh you guys, I literally had to walk in the rain. So that's why my hair looks like this. But my makeup stayed in place. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the holiday kits at Sephora. I cannot believe how many kits are already there. Like what? It's only October. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give your girl a thumbs up if you did. And if you guys want to see more of this face, don't forget to press the subscribe button down below. It's red. Join the family, become a bestie, and turn on the post notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright you guys, I love you guys so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!